This is actually not too bad. Maybe I can use this as 3 different sizes. Small, medium, large. Okay. Let's see how this goes. So, looks like this was someone's bench. Not gonna move that one yet, it looks heavy. But I dragged these 2. And I think the small one on the right and this one in the middle gets a little bigger. Maybe give this a try. Let's see. So the thing we learned from the course is that we want to lighten the front end about the size of the obstacle, kind of like you want to lighten it that far ahead of the obstacle. So I think what I'm going to do is hit the very left edge of this first one. And I'm going to try and lighten the bike about a foot. Hey! Went right over. Get lucky twice. Nice. Now, I haven't totally learned wheeling yet. I think I've mentioned on the videos that I've been yeah, that's nice. Log rolled with me that time, but I got over it. It's really muddy right here too. I can feel my feet sliding around all over the place. Down we go. So what happened there, front end got lightened, and then as it went to spin, look at all this mud. The tire just kicked with mud, and you can see right there. So let me get this out of here. I'm in a weird spot. Turn this off. Okay, that's how I got stuck. So back tire's covered in mud. I also wish I had another camera angle, because I think what I did is, as I tried to lean back over the log, I think it bucked and I just went forward and then got stuck. Maybe either that or the mud. So let me get over this. I'll maybe try one more time. It's kind of tiring and I just barely started, so let's see. Okay. Give it one more try. Oh, that was sweet. All right, one more. That was definitely in the air. Really wish I had another camera angle. That's okay. Killed it, but I made it over. Yeah, I would say, I don't know, it's an 8-inch log. Spectators. In the summer, a lot of people ride. Killed it again, but went over. Maybe someone can tell me what that means. I'm probably letting off the gas, I guess. Yeah, that was just bad balance. It was all sideways. Okay, I think that'll be the last one, but maybe this will be the whole video. Log jumping, ad hoc log jumping. That was fun.